In this video, we're going to go through the solution for the Friends fax game or app. So what we're going to do is, the first things first, is just going to write some pseudocode here. So the first thing we're going to do is global variables. Then what we're going to do is ask user for friends info on name, cake, birthday, and hometown. And then we're just going to let the user play the game. At least until they type done. All right, so for global variables, we're going to do the still playing variable again. We're going to create a blank dictionary called friend. And then we're going to add key values. So the first one will be, do this down here. First one will be name. Now we're going to do cake, birthday, and finally town. And here we're just going to prompt the user. Double quotations. Save ourselves some time. We're just going to copy paste that. Actually, do a semicolon first and then copy paste it. All right, so this should ask the user some information about their friend. And then here what it's doing is with the dictionary friend, which we declared up here, it's saying we're going to create a new key called name, and we're going to set the value of that key to whatever the user types in here. So then the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to make sure this thing actually works. Just going to do an alert. Your, and then let's just do friend name. It's always good to test as you're making code just to make sure you don't go too far along without the code not actually working. So this should just test to make sure that we actually created a dictionary and it's actually setting the value correctly. All right, so it looks like that is working. So we can continue along with our coding. So we can just delete this now. So while still playing is true, we're going to do, let's see what we're going to call this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to allow the user to enter F if they're done playing. And then we're going to say enter and if you want to know their name, and C cake, and B for birthday, finally T for town. And then we're just going to say here, all right, so if the response equals F, and we're going to finish the game. Else we're going to tell the user what the answer is. So this is just going to be friend and then response. And if they want to end the game, we're just going to make still playing equal to false. And that should be it. All right, so again, we're going to create global variables still playing. We're going to set it equal to true, which is a Boolean. Then we're going to create a variable called friend. Friend will be a dictionary. Then we're going to ask the user for their friend's name, cake, birthday, and town, and set it to these key values. And then while the user is still playing, we'll let them press F if they're done playing, or N, C, B, or T, depending on whether or not they want to know name, cake, birthday, or town. And if the user's response is equal to F, then we'll say still playing is equal to false. Otherwise, we'll tell them what they want to know about their friend. All right, so let's go ahead and see if this works. All right, do the same thing here, John, Coco. Let's see. All right, so let's see, kick. Oop, something broke. So let's try B. Okay, that's not working. So let's go back here and see what we did wrong. So I think what we have to do here is actually declare the keys first before we do anything else. So we'll just declare all these keys first and set them equal to blanks. And let's see if that works. All right, let's see if there's any other mistakes that we can see. That looks like it should hopefully work. And let's see. Make sure to save it. Oh, at least the F worked. All right, let's try this again. All right. Coco, Feb 1, DC. All right, C for cake. Nope, still not working. All right, let's see what could be the problem. Let's see if everything is broken. B for birthday, undefined. All right. So clearly this is not working. Why don't we just do alert, see what the response actually is. Oh, I figured it out, I think. All right, so I think it's because we need to actually write out the entire name in order for this thing to actually work. So we need to do F is fine there, but this needs to be name, egg, birthday, town. Because this needs to match this up here. All right, so let's see if that works. Start. Need to save this and then try again. One more try. All right. Try cake. All right, there we go. Birthday. And we type in just B, it's not gonna work. That makes sense. And F for finish. Okay, now it works. All right, so you're getting to see live some of the common mistakes that you can make while coding. So good luck with doing this yourself. It's definitely a little tricky sometimes, but again, it's all about debugging quickly and knowing what to look for. So best of luck and don't get frustrated.